afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. We are doing formal letters, that is business letters. Okay. Which letters are we going to do?
Formal letter.
Business letter.
Yes, Peter, business letters. Okay. See, 5 marks you have these formal letters, and 5 marks you have for that analytical paragraph which I showed you, the graphs and the charts. You learn to describe them. Have you done
Yes.
that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So if you go according to the board pattern, this is the pattern of writing section. 10 marks for writing. How many marks for the writing section?
10 marks.
10 marks. 5 marks are for what I have done with you already. You will write an analytical paragraph based on a map or a chart or a graph that we have done. And 5 marks for a formal letter. Have I done formal letters with you as of now? No.
Ma'am, we have discussed that layout of it and how to write, but we haven't wrote any.
Okay. Fine. Got it. We have discussed this. Now I'll be giving you a task to do today. This is your question. Please write a letter to the Universal Lab Supply, Sector 63, Noida, placing an order for the equipment. Describe your requirement, number, type, ask the time in the school, find out the details of the warranty in the equipment, request for a demonstration of the equipment after installation. All these points should be included. Before you start writing, I'm once again showing you this. Everybody, sender's address, date, receiver's address, dear complement, and then you're simply going to write the subject. These are your beginning lines. This will be the table which you will make. So we'll go stepwise. First, all of you write this much. What all you will write, children? You'll write this: sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, and subject. Only till here. Understood what has to be done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, and subject. Only till here. And this is the question. Sender's address, you write your own address. This is the receiver's address. Put today's date. Write the subject. Post on the group, and before you post, please tell me that, ma'am, I am posting. I hope you know you have to write till where, huh? Till subject.
Ma'am, written.
Please post on the group, beta.
Ma'am, can we write the same school name?
Yes, you can. If you want any name, beta, you can take.
Ma'am, posted.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Keep posting on the group. I am on the group only. I am checking. Okay, beta. Why so slow?
Ma'am, send.
Other students? I'm checking. So few of you have posted. I'm seeing. Hurry up, others also. Naina has posted. Gargi has posted. Aiza has posted. Okay. Gargi, 8 June, Universal Sector 63, Noida. You should have mentioned about the pin of Noida also, Gargi. 123XX or something, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
This is, yes, lab. Okay. Okay. So
I
we
have
are
missed
checking.
some points.
Just 1 second, let me check. Order for lab equipments. I wanted to show something to you. Gargi, just see how
Yes, ma'am.
sports goods is written and how you have written lab equipment and tell me where is the mistake.
Ma'am, the first letter should be capital.
Yes, very good. Okay, the first letter should be capital. So you can change here only, no need to write it again. See, once you get to know your mistake, I'm sure you'll never do it again. Charlie, let's move further. Let's see what Aiza has written. Aiza, have you put a comma after ABC school?
Ma'am, I first added it, but then I removed it.
Good. And the pin code for Bareilly is missing. It should be 123XXX or something. Date is correct. Noida also pin code is missing. Dear sir, subject is what? Placing an order for lab equipment. Beta, we don't write an entire sentence. Only write order for lab equipment. What will you write, Aiza?
Order for lab equipment.
And when you write this, O for order has to be capital, L will be capital, and E will be capital. Change this, rest everything is fine. Very good. Change this. Let's move. Change it here only. Cut this and write. Now, who is this? Pranjal. Let's read. XY School, Bareilly, 8th June, the Universal Lab Supplies, Sector 63, Noida. Subject is order for lab equipment. I'm sure, Pranjal, you understood what mistake is there. There's only one mistake. Tell me, what is it?
Ma'am, I don't.
You don't know? Chalo, friends. Your friends will tell you. Classmates, tell what is wrong. There's some mistake
L
in
and
the
E will be capital in
Yes.
subject.
Lab wala L will be capital and equipment ka E will be capital. Change here in the cut and write again this part only. Let's move to Stuti, Noida, 18th June, the Universal. Beta, put a pin code for Noida also. Order for lab equipments. Perfect. Rest everything is fine. Just put where you have written the Universal Lab Supplies, 63 Noida.
Yes, ma'am.
There you put pin 456XXX, something like this. Okay, let's see.
Okay, ma'am.
Pavni now. Pavni, we don't write the state, so cut UP. This is not needed.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Rest everything is fine. Perfect. Okay, let's move on to this. Who is this?
Ma'am, why don't we mention the state?
Because beta, this is when we are sending a letter, we'll be writing it on the envelope, not the entire address. So in the letter, we don't give so much of details.
Okay, ma'am.
Who is this child? Tina. Tina, the first problem I see is that you're going very away from the margin. Stick to the margin. Stay very close to the margin. Bilkul stick to the margin when you write. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bareilly, we need to write a pin code. Manager, Sector 63, Noida. Dear sir, order for lab equipment. Rest everything is correct, but you're going very far from the margin. Stick from the margin. Start from there only. Baki, there is no mistake. Jujhar, fine. 8th June, the Universal Lab Suppliers, Noida. Pin code of Noida is missing. Rest everything is perfect, Jujhar. Okay. You can write 456XX. Okay, let's see what
Okay.
Mohit has. Mohit Kumar. Bareilly pin code is missing, Mohit. And equipment E has to be capital. Got the two mistakes? Mohit, am I audible? Mohit, can you hear me? Anyways, I'll speak. Put a pin code after Bareilly, put a comma after June, and equipment E should be capital. These are the three things which I found. Puneet Kumar, Bareilly, the manager, Sector 63. Same mistake, Puneet, you have also done. Tell what? In the subject, what mistake have you done?
Ma'am, full stop.
No, L and E should be capital. When you're writing lab, L should be capital. For equipment, E should be capital. Clear? Cut and do
Yes,
it right now. Cut here only and do. Yes, very good. This is perfectly fine. Srishti, she's already done the change. Very good, Srishti. No mistake here. Sector 63, third ma'am, subject order for lab equipments. Beta, it is not equipments, it is equipment. Apurva. It's a collective noun, so S is not needed. Is it okay, Apurva?
Yes,
Okay, next. There is no comma. Whose is this? Naina. Where is the comma after June?
ma'am, I'll correct it.
Yes, put a comma. Otherwise, everything is perfect. No other mistake there. Jigyasa. Let's see what Jigyasa has written. 8th June, lab apparatus. Very good. No mistake in Jigyasas. Excellent effort. Chalia, let's move on to the
Ma'am.
first two lines now. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have
Want-
taken a sender's address, ma'am, also in Noida, ma'am. Is it fine?
Then it's okay. That's absolutely okay. No issues. You have to see if the address is given, then go according to that. Otherwise, give your own address, whatever. Better now listen, there are two ways of starting these letters. Let me tell you. And you have to select whichever you want to write. Daksh has posted. So first, let me check for Daksh. 8th June. Daksh, you are also going away from the margin. Why?
Okay, ma'am, I'll correct.
Stick to the margin. Noida pin code is missing. And same mistake you have done in subject. What mistake? Which others also did. What was it?
And the first letter should be capital.
First letter should be.
Very good. First letter should be capital. Lab L should be capital, and for equipments E should be capital. See, if you discuss so many students matter, you will surely be able to write confidently. Better see, we can start two ways. Number one, this is in reference to, don't write this has a reference to, this is wrong, right? This is in reference to our meeting on November so and so. Or you say, this is with reference to our telephonic conversation dated so and so. There are two ways of starting this letter. Either we must have met them or we must have spoken to them on the phone. So listen carefully, the first sentence. Either you will write, this is in reference to our meeting on November 10th, 20XX. Or you write, this is with reference to our telephonic conversation dated November 10th, 20XX. So you can decide any one. Second is we have gone through the catalog and would like to place an order for certain sports goods. Kindly refer to the list given below. Rest everything is okay. Now we are going back to our question. We'll start. This is with reference to our telephonic conversation dated so and so, or this is with a reference to our meeting on so and so. We have gone through a catalog and we would like to order for lab apparatus. Kindly find the list enclosed below. Is it okay? But in place of sports items, what is the word you'll be using?
Lab supplies, lab
Yes.
equipment.
Lab equipments.
Lab
Yes.
apparatus.
Please plan your first two sentences. Only first two sentences and post on the group. Only first two.
Excuse me, ma'am, I
Change.
have a doubt.
Yes, but you ask.
Ma'am, like in this letter, it is written like after the receiver's address, dear sir or ma'am is written. So, ma'am, it's not compulsory, no? After subject also we can
Beta,
specify.
you can do anything. Either the subject first and this, or this salutation and then the subject. Both are correct. No issues for that. And you need not underline this also. This is also not mandatory. They have underlined. It is not compulsory to underline also. See, for the first sentence, it's entirely your choice. Once again, I'm telling you. This is with reference to our meeting. You can give the date, or this is in reference to our telephonic conversation dated so and so. Please write the first two lines. We are going stepwise. I'll keep telling you what changes have to be done. Write the first two lines and post. Also do the changes which I have told in the first one. Do there only, cut and write. Next time there is no mistake then. Quickly write, tell me once you finish writing that ma'am we are posting.
I'm done.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Are you okay? Are you posting? Let me see. Let me see on the group. Keep posting on the group. I'm on the group only. Okay. Let me check. I'm reading what she has posted. This is a very nice class. Very interactive and active. Okay, Stuti has written. This is in reference to our telephonic conversation. Just 1 second, let me read. Okay. I was reading this part. Find telephonic conversation on 16th June. We have gone through the catalog and would like to place an order for few lab equipments. Again, equipments. Cut the S.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
it's a collective noun, equipment. Addressed, everything is very nice. Okay, this is with not the reference, cut the. Whose is this? Naina, please cut the. This is with reference to, not reference of. I hope you're making the changes, Naina, because after changes you will post again.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
This is with cut the reference to cut off our telephonic conversation on June so and so. Very good. We have gone through the catalog. Like to place an order for certain lab equipments, kindly refer to the list given below. Very good. See, if you're confident, 5 marks full you will get, beta. No mistakes over here. Naina, post again with the corrections. Dear sir, this is in reference to our telephonic conversation on June 6th. Place an order for lab equipment. Very, very good. Perfect. Okay. Gargi, perfect. No mistake found. Very good. Let's move on and see what Apurva has written. This is with reference to our telephonic conversation on June. We have gone through the catalog value order. Very good, Apurva. Good, good. Very good. I did not find any mistake. Aiza. This is, beta, both are correct. In reference to or with reference to, both are correct. Our telephonic conversation on 5th June, we have gone through lab equipment. Kindly refer to the list given below. Very good. Aiza, no mistake. Pavni. This is, okay, you missed out the word is, Pavni.
Yes, ma'am, written.
This is, yes. This is in reference to a telephonic conversation on 5th June. Fine, you should have put a comma after June. We have gone through the catalog. Very good. No other mistake found. Good, Pavni. Now next is, this is with reference to, good. Our telephonic conversation. Good, the changes have already been done, Nana. Very nice. Now let's move on to Daksh. This is in reference to our telephonic conversation on 11th June. This is what you've written, Daksh?
Yes, ma'am, it's 11.
It was looking 116th June. So I was wondering, there are 116 days in June or what? Very good, Daksh. Well done. Let's see, next is Tina. Okay, this is Tina. Why are we going so away from the margin? Beta, stick to the margin. बिल्कुल line, red line के साथ से you have to start writing. Stick to the margin. This is in reference to a telephonic conversation. Rest, everything is fine, perfect. But be very careful. You can lose your marks for this also. Okay, now we have Pranjal here. Good, very good. Respected sir. Ma'am, beta, now why respected? Pranjal? It is a business letter. We are not writing to authorities. So please cut the word respected. It should be dear. Dear sir. It's a beta, it's a business, no? This is reference to our Zoom conversation. Okay, fine. This is reference to our Zoom conversation. Very good. We've done a conversation of Zoom. Pandemic conversation. Very good, Pranjal. Okay. Let's have this. Jigyasa. This is in reference to beta, not a telephone. It is our OUR. Jigyasa, change this. Am I audible, Jigyasa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in place of a telephonic conversation, it should be our telephonic conversation, OUR. Rest
Okay.
everything is correct. Yes, Jigyasa is mentioned as given below. Jujhar has posted. This is in reference to our telephonic conversation on 5th June. Very good, Jujhar. No mistakes. Viresh. This is with reference to our telephonic call. Better not call, conversation. Change this word call. Telephone, so to call ही होएगा ना? So telephonic and call mean the same. So make it telephonic conversation. मतलब phone पे जो बात हुआ. That is the only change which is needed. Viresh, is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Puneet now. Okay, I was checking for here. Just 1 second. This is with reference to our telephonic. Not conservation, it is conversation. Puneet,
Yes, ma'am.
it is not conservation, it is conversation. V and S have changed their places. Okay, that is the only problem. Rest everything is fine. Now, Srishti,
ma'am.
this is with reference to our telephonic conversation. Perfect. Dated on 4th. Beta, when we write dated, na, we don't write on. So either write dated 4th June or just write on 4th June. Is it okay, Srishti?
Yes, ma'am.
So cut on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now, can we start preparing the table, children? We still have about 10 minutes for the class. Table can be done. How many columns have to be made in the table?
4 to 5.
4 are enough. In place of product code, you can also write brand. If you know the brand, it's okay. Otherwise, simply write ABC, PQR, STU, anything. Order for any.
Businessproof.com.
Can we have 4 lab apparatus names? Beakers and
Test
test
tube,
tube. Okay, beakers, test tubes. 2 more things.
chemicals,
Apparatus, beta, chemicals are not included in this.
Okay.
Equipments.
Ma'am, magnet lenses.
Yes, you can ask for
microscope,
magnifying lens, microscopes. Very good.
Magnets.
Yes, you can ask for magnets. But remember one thing, children, that the order should be in bulk. Like they've written 5, 6, 8, 8, 4, you have to make it more. Nobody will come to give 5 test tubes. So remember, supposing you're talking about microscope is something expensive. Then you should write the number 4 or 5. मतलब keep presence of mind. ऐसे नहीं कि सब कुछ bulk में लिखो because ma'am said. Test tubes more in number, beakers more in number, but microscopes obviously 4, 5. So keep in mind when you're
And we
writing.
can add a quantity.
The quantity, yes, but not everywhere. Like microscopes, we cannot order for 100 microscopes, no? So just be careful about the order. Make a table, post on the group, any 4 lab apparatus, only the table. Okay? Only the table and only 4 items have to be ordered. Whoever finishes writing, please let me know.
I'm written.
Better post on the group, let me see. Have you posted on the group?
Ma'am, just post.
Okay, we'll all see.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Okay, chaliye. Let's see. Stuti has posted. Let's see the table. Serial number is okay. Equipment is test tubes, beaker, microscope, flask. Very good. 25, 30, 10 microscopes and 45 flasks. Good. Perfect. Very good. Now the only thing which will be left is terms and conditions, Stuti. We'll come to that later, the last part of the letter. You just read what is shared on the screen, terms and conditions. Don't, if you can complete the letter, very good. Stuti. By the time I'll check for others also. Daksh has posted equipments. Daksh, it is not equipments, it is equipment. Cut the S.
Okay, ma'am.
Collective noun. And in the subject also, I had told you to cancel S, cut there also. Oh, your product code is very interesting. Quantity 1, microscope 1. Okay, test tubes 10, petri dish 5, and 2 burners. The order is a little small, but never mind. Very good, Daksh. Now move on to terms and conditions. Read on the screen and finish it. Chavi Sharma, that is Naina. Okay, Naina beta. Test tubes you have ordered, microscopes, lenses. And what is this last thing?
Ma'am, it is apparatus.
Apparatus means all these things together. So there is nothing like apparatus alone. So cut the fifth one. All these things together are known as lab apparatus. So cut the fifth one. Let me see. Product code is fine. Lens 7. Test tubes 10. And beakers are 8. Okay. You can add something else like test tube holder, test tube stands, petri dish, magnifying lens, concave lens, convex lens, magnet, anything you can add on. In place of apparatus, add on something else. Now move on to terms and conditions, Naina. Very good. ISA, test tube, flask, microscope, and china dish. Very good, Isa. Move on to the terms and conditions. Finish your letter. Now let's see what Tina has written. Microscope, test tube, flask, and litmus paper. Very good. Perfect. This is how you have to think that what can be ordered for. Very good. children. So who is next? Viresh. Those who have finished, beta, write the conclusion, the conditions and all. Urgently needed. Okay, everything is urgently needed. Viresh, the third column, either the product or the brand is missing. Supposing you tell me, ma'am, send me fans. So which fan? You have to tell me, na? Usha, Polar, what? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So we don't know the brands. You can simply write ABC, PQR. So you write product or brand. You can make a small column here only and add on. Please mention the brand, otherwise the shopkeeper will get confused which one to send. This is by Gargi. Test tubes, microscope, beaker, flask. Quantity is perfect. Perfect, Gargi. Go ahead, conclude the letter. Very nice. Let's see what Pavni has ordered for. Beaker, test tube, microscope, petri dishes, 2010. Very good, Pavni. Perfect, excellent. Continue. Pranjal. Pranjal is beakers, burning stand. Burning stand? What is burning stand? Burners.
Yes,
Shall
ma'am.
I- Or maybe he's wanting to say burners. Very good, Pranjal. Move on to the conclusion. The conditions of the payment and all. Jigyasa, test tubes, microscope, lenses, and beakers. 8 microscopes she has ordered. Very good, Jigyasa. Continue. 60, 50 beakers and 10 microscopes and 100 test tubes. Very good. This is a good order. Srishti, continue. Beta completed. Very nice.
Okay, ma'am.
Test tubes. 15, 30 microscopes. 5. Yes, Vichi.
What can we write about the condition that if anything is found broken?
But actually you can add on and write. You should write in such a way for the conditions that the payment would be made only after the apparatus is checked. In case any item is found damaged, it would be returned and no payment would be made against it. Listen again, these are the conditions. How will you write? First, tell when do you want. The above order should be delivered within 1 week. Tell them where you want the order and when you want the order. Make it clear like this. Okay, please ensure that the order is delivered within a week at the school premises, and then talk about the conditions. The payment would be made how? By cash, by check. How will you make that payment? Tell them that also. The payment will be made by cash or by check or demand draft once all the items are checked. And if any item is found damaged, no payment would be made against it and the item would be returned. Try framing your sentences. Still, if you have doubts, ask me, I'll help you again. Okay,
Ma'am, my
Stuti.
letter is completed.
Okay, Stuti has written, kindly make sure that the equipment are not damaged at all. As per deal, I would also like to avail 25% discount. Fine. I'm enclosing a check of rupees 10,000 as an advance payment. Very good. Close the letter. Actually, you've already done it in the second one. I hope the items are delivered timely and safely within this week. Fine, Stuti. Very good. You've concluded the letter. But supposing if something is damaged, then? So next time, whenever you write, add one more line. That if
Okay,
any
madam.
item is damaged, it would be returned and no payment would be made against it. Just add on
Okay.
this line. Excellent. Otherwise, nothing else is wrong. Add on this
Okay.
line. If any item is found damaged, it would be returned and no payment would be made against it. Very good, children. Others also complete. Those who completed beta post. After you add on to the post again, let me see.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent, ma'am.
Okay, let me check, picture. If you posted on the group, let me check. I'll go back to the group. Daksh is also posted. Kindly ensure that the equipment delivered in any day, on any day. We would like to avail a discount, 20% discount as discussed during telephonic conversation. Very good. Hope the items are delivered timely and safely. Daksh, you also add that line that if any item is damaged, it would be returned and no